Hey guys, in today's video we're talking about the iPhone XS Max. Now there's been several reports of the iPhone XS Max specifically not recognizing a power source such as Apple's cables that come with the iPhone when plugged into a power source after the device is put to sleep. So there's been various reports of a charging gate, if you will, happening on iPhone XS Max. Now, I haven't experienced this myself. I'm going to go ahead and test it here with Apple's fast charging and also wireless charging and the standard charging that comes inside the box of the iPhone XS Max to see if I can get any reaction and reproduce this issue that many users are reporting on the iPhone XS Max. Now, this is going to be specific to iPhone XS Max. I haven't seen any other iPhone XS users report this. However, I have encountered something very similar to this in the past with iPads. But anyway, let's go ahead and plug in the iPhone's fast charging that comes from the Apple Store. So I bought this fast charger here and it comes directly from the Apple Store. So I'm going to plug it in here to the power source. The indicator is on. So we're going to go ahead and plug the iPhone XS Max and it should start charging. Now, charging gate means that if it doesn't start charging, I have to tap it in order for it to recognize the power source and then start charging. So we're going to go here and plug it in and see what happens. Let's see. Okay, so it starts charging instantly. So we're going to go ahead and test that again. We're going to go ahead and wait for a few seconds here for the iPhone to go back to sleep and see if the device fails to recognize the charging source here with Apple's fast charging. Then we're going to test the wireless and then the one that comes inside of the box. So let's go ahead and do that again one more time here. It's been a few seconds. Plug it in. It's charging like nothing. So again, this could be a isolated incident or isolated incidents since Apple sells so many iPhones, then it comes out to the light, and then a lot of people do report on this. But let's go ahead and test the wireless charging, and then we'll do the stock charging cable that comes inside of the iPhone, because that would be the most proper test to perform because it is the charger that comes with the iPhone itself. So we're going to go ahead and place the iPhone on the wireless charging mat here, and we're going to wait for it to go to sleep, and then we're going to drop it here on the mat. Hopefully I can get this to work. So there it is. Drop it. Starts charging instantly. So no issues with wireless charging, no issues with fast charging cables that come directly from Apple. So we're going to go in here and get the cable and the stuff that comes inside of the box of the iPhone XS Max and begin to charge this device with its own cable. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this to the power source. I haven't even taken this out of the box since I have so many cables laying around. They all stay brand new. So let's go and plug this in here. Power source. There we go. And now what we're going to do is go ahead and plug the iPhone XS Max from the original cable that comes inside of the box of Apple's iPhone XS Max. So let's plug it in and see what happens. Whoa, there we go. That is the issue. You see there that we do have power, and then it just recognized that the iPhone was plugged in. So it took a few seconds. It did recognize it, but we're going to go ahead and do that again. And again, we have complete power on the line here. So let's go ahead and plug it in. It seems like the longer the iPhone XS Max sits, the bigger the issue with it recognizing. And by the way, that was with the original cable, as you saw, taking it right out of the box of the iPhone XS Max. And the fast charging worked like charm, wireless as well. Let's try one more time with the original charger. Here we go. Full power. We have everything in place. Plug it in. Okay, so now it's working. So it looked like it did fail for a few seconds there at first, but now it seems to be working just fine. Now, a lot of users are reporting that this could be part of a different issue, software issue related. And in my opinion, it is a software issue, and most likely Apple will address this within a software update, maybe coming shortly. Let me go ahead and log in here quick and show you a new option that's enabled by default in iOS 12 that a lot of users are thinking this could be the cause of this issue. Now you see down here USB accessory. So Apple has a new feature that automatically deactivates the USB connection or the lightning connection on the iPhone after 1 hour of no activity. So if your device is locked for an entire hour and you don't wake it up, you don't unlock it, you don't do any interaction with it, it automatically deactivates the lightning port, and then you would have to enter your passcode, tap on the screen, unlock the device, and then plug a USB or lightning cable, and it would be recognized then. Now you may be wondering, why is Apple doing this? Well, there's a great key passcode device out there that allows a device, an iOS device, an iPhone, to be exploited using the USB Lightning connection. So in order for Apple to protect iOS users and iPhone users, they have this new feature where the USB Lightning plug here connection to the iPhone deactivates within 1 hour and attempts to protect iPhone users from this gray key hack that could potentially unlock your iPhone without your permission. But I don't think this has a direct impact on this situation. I think this is more of a software issue that Apple will most likely address. It's maybe a timing issue with the actual charging trigger time. So let's go and play it one more time and see what happens. So now it's working just fine. So there you guys have it. I just wanted to address this one with you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you having any charging issues with iPhone XS Max? And there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.